to show you the 2020 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.